Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Titan Global Crowdfunding Portal, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Titan Global Crowdfunding Portal, start by visiting the official website. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be directed to the authentication page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up option to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and create a password. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the login page. Enter your email address and password again. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password via email. After logging in, review and accept any terms and conditions presented. You may be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. If so, provide your phone number and follow the instructions to complete the setup. Once authentication is successful, you will gain access to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, you can explore funding opportunities and project details. For further assistance, check the FAQ section on the portal. This ensures a smooth experience as you navigate through Titan Global's offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.